How to leave WhatsApp group without knowing anyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to leave a WhatsApp group without alerting everyone in it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. And here, as you can see, I am already logged in, but if you're not, make sure to sign in first. Now here, once you are inside the app, simply find the group that you want to leave. For this video, I'll go into one of mine here just as an example. And now here, once you are inside the group, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And after that, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Group Info. And here, once you see the interface like this, simply scroll down all the way to the bottom and there you can see the option labeled as Exit Group. So simply tap on that. And after that, you'll get a message saying that only group admins will be notified when you leave. So don't worry, other members won't get any alert. So go ahead and tap exit. And just like that, you're out of group quietly. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.